In this video, I will teach you about Draw Toolbar, that how to use Draw Toolbar one by one, like line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, and hatch. Let's start with line command, which shortcut is L plus enter. When you press the L plus enter, you will see the cursor where it is mentioned that specify the first point. You can select the first point anywhere at drawing area and move the cursor left or right, up and down. You will see the dimension of that line particular. You will see the dimension 1179. Now it is a free form line. If you want to straight line like horizontal or vertical, you need to press F8, which name is ortho mode. By using this command F8, you can draw a straight line like horizontal line or vertical line. You can also see the 90-degree angle respect to horizontal line. If you will press again F8, then you can draw inclined line or taper line. You can see the here I am moving the cursor right side down, so degree is changing. All right, let's try to make something with line. Take the line command and press F8 and make this line horizontal and give a value like 200. Okay, and now you can see that command is active. You can press the escape button to escape this command. You can measure this dimension from annotation and go to linear, select first point and second point and click the cursor on anywhere. And now if you want to draw a vertical line on the center of this line, so you can simple take the line command and just go to the nearest point of middle line. You can see the triangle in green color, and at the start and end point you can see the rectangle in green color. This is called snapping. If you will on the snapping, that will display here. If you will close, it will not display here. Let's check this. Go to the toggle bar first, and this is ortho mode. You can on off from here, and let's see the snapping. Here all the snapping are here. You can just deselect the midpoint. Okay. Now take the line command and try to find that triangle. You can't see the triangle there because of that snapping. If you will on from here, you can take the line command again and you will see the triangle. You can easily draw the line from that midpoint. Okay, let's make the rectangle with nearest point. Take the first line. Now you will see the nearest point. When you will draw the second line, you can take the reference with first line from the start. You can see the green line, which is the nearest point. It is displaying that your line will end from here. You can simply click on that particular point to close the loop. If you not find there, you can go to that start point to take the reference. Okay, and now you can close this loop. Yeah, just delete this line, and when I am selecting the lines, you can see that all are separate lines and each lines have three grids. You can call it vertex also. By dragging these vertex, the line can be moved to another place, and by using mid vertex you can move that line with same condition. Just select the line one by one all by using command control A and simply press delete. Next command is polyline. Simply you can enter PL or select from the icon. Let's make the 200 by 200 rectangle by using polyline. When you will draw the three lines, you can simply click C plus enter to close this loop. And you can find that all the lines are joined here. Click on rectangle, the all lines are connected with each other. This is the major difference between line command and polyline command. In line command, all the lines are separate, but in this case, all the line are connected with each other. And second difference is C plus enter, which is close loop command. And if you want to break these lines, you can simply press explode, which shortcut is X enter. Now all are the separate line and you can select one by one. Okay. Next command is circle. There are 6 methods in AutoCAD to draw a circle. But if you will press above side of circle, you will find that the last command will be repeated. But at the below, you will find that there is a arrow line from where you can select different type of methods to draw a circle. So let's try to make a circle with these commands. First is center radius. Circle command is C plus enter. Specify the center from anywhere and move the cursor to right side or left side or above or below. You will find that there is a value of radius. So you can simply put the radius value of circle which you want to draw. Like you want to make a 15 mm circle, you need to press 7.5 mm radius. Let's check from annotation. Here you can see the annotation dimension button from where you can select the radius. Simply click on circle and click on outside area of drawing. You will find that there is 7.5 mm radius of this circle, which is absolutely right. You can simply press Ctrl All and delete from this erase command. You can simply delete from your keyboard also by delete. Now, second command is center diameter. Specify the first point and move the cursor on right side or left side anywhere. The dimension is displaying like a diameter. And if you want to draw 15 mm circle here, you need to put 15 mm here, not 7.5 mm. So put 15 mm and enter. Let's check the diameter and press here, click on outside, and let's check the radius. It is 7.5. So two type of circle, first by using radius and second is by using diameter. Let's move to another command, which is 2-point circle. To draw 2-point circle, you need to two references. So draw the two references first. Take the two lines as a reference, first point and second point. So here there are two reference line, and if we want a circle on these 2 points, first point of this line and second point of this line, so just go to the 2-point circle, click on first point and second point. No matter whatever diameter will be or radius will be there, it is just for reference where you have 2 points as a reference for a circle. Let's move the another command to draw a circle, which is 3-point circle. So you need to draw three reference lines first. First line, second line, and take the third line on the top, like this line. Now we can draw 3-point circle easily, which will be under these three lines. So just go to the 3-point circle, click on first point, second point, and third point. If you are seeing this type of circle, need to press F8 and again press to the third reference line. So this is 3-point circle. Now let's move to the another command for circle, which is tangent radius. So you need to draw two lines. First line and second line is this. So take the command tangent radius. Before applying the radius, you need to check the dimension first, and take the command, make the tangent first line, second line, and put the radius. This is there is some gap here. Take the extend command to extend the line. Yeah, you will find that both line are tangent with that circle, and check the circle radius, which is 5 mm. It's absolutely right. Let's make a perpendicular lines. Take the first line, ortho mode on, second line. Now here is 90-degree angle, and take the tangent radius. Click on first line, second line, and put the value of circle. Now check the radius of circle, which will be 10 mm, and you will show the tangent line from here. So this is the another command. Now let's move the last command of circle, which is tangent. So it is clear that there will be three tangent for a circle. So draw the three lines first. First line, and take the line command, draw the second line, inclined line, and take a inclined line also. And we need to make a circle with the reference of these lines, which will be tangent for three lines. Click on first, second, and third line. All the lines are tangential with this circle. So there is there are total 6 methods to draw a circle in AutoCAD. Next command is arc, which shortcut key is A plus enter. There are 10 methods to draw arc in AutoCAD. So one by one, we will draw the arcs by using all commands. Yeah, first command is 3-point arc. Select the 3 point and just make 3 lines. First line and second line and one line above these. This is 3 reference. Now make an arc by using these 3 lines reference. Just go to 3 point, click first point, second point, and third point. This is an arc when you have 3 reference points. Okay, let's make by freehand. Click on first point, make the second point and third point. It's a free form of 3-point arc. And next command is start, center, end. So as per this name, start, center, and end. So take the arc command, start, center, and end. Click on start point. Make any point, take the value approx 200. Okay, 50 mm, let's take 50 mm center. And end point. You have 360-degree where you want to end the point. You can simply press there by using angle, or you have free form where. So just check the diameter. We have taken start to center dimension, which were 50 mm. So the diameter will be 100 mm. Just draw a circle by free form, start, center, and end point. You need to press here F8 to draw arc. Okay, you can simply press anywhere. You have an option for angle, but there is free form line for you to draw these things with end command, because there is a separate command for angle: start, center, and angle. So start, take the start point, make center by using distance like 50 mm, and put the value of angle where you want to left the arc. So I am putting 135-degree. You can see the result, and make this by using free form, start, center, and angle. Where you will press by using angle like and command, you will find the result like this. Although both are the same command, start, center, and start, center, and angle, but still there are two separate commands for both. And the next command is start, center, and length. Press this by using length. You can make arc, start, center, and length. Just put the value of length 120 mm. 120 mm. Just measure by align dimension. First point, second point, and the value is 120 mm. So absolutely right. Let's make the free form by start and end angle. Start end point will be uh, angle. You can decide the angle from the horizontal line. You can see that there is a horizontal line from where cursor is taking the reference by using angle. So we can put the angle with respect to horizontal line, and that cursor reference line, let's put the value 135-degree. Yeah, you can see the result. You can see the result by start, center, and angle. Start and angle. Now this is start, angle, and direction. Click the start point, take the end point, and if you will go to upside and downside, the arc draw there. Not up and down. You will also make by horizontal, left or right. Just make it. Click the vertically, move the left side or right side, arc will draw here. Okay, and the next command is start and end radius. Specify the start point, select end point, and put the value of radius. Take the radius value 75 mm. Yeah, let's check this. Go to the annotation and take the align dimension, which will be 100 mm as given, and radius will be 75 mm. It's absolutely right. Next command is center, start and end. You need to specify the center, then start. Put the value anything which you want, whatever you want, and move the cursor, and where you will left or press the button, you will find the result. Start point will not matter. And next command is center, start and angle. Specify the first point like center, then end point and angle. You need to specify the angle here. Just put the value like 90 degree. You will find the result like this. And next command is center, start and length. Specify the center, start point and length. Just put the value of length 100 mm, and check the align dimension. It should be 100 mm. Okay, let's arc will not decide here, as we have taken the reference of arc length. Okay, these are the methods, and the last method is customize. I will make the customized tutorial at the end of video when we will discuss about the practical drawings. Next command is rectangle, which shortcut key is REC plus enter. If you will press the arrow button, you will see that there is polygon command also there. Okay, so just start with rectangle, REC plus enter. Specify the first point. Okay, and move the cursor right side, left side, wherever you want. Okay, and if you will see that area, dimension and rotation, there are three options to draw by using area, by using dimension, by using rotation. So rotation, as you know, that 90 degree, any degree you want to draw. So make the rectangle with dimension. Put the value D plus enter, and let's make the 300 by 300 rectangle by using dimension. Put the value 300 length and 300 height. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Press the scroll button 2 times. It is shortcut key for zoom to fit. And let's check the linear dimension of this square, 300, and height, it is also 300. Okay. Second method is to draw rectangle with help of area. So just select the rectangle command, take the first point, and just consider you have 1000 mm square area, and put the 1000 mm value of area by using A enter and 1000, and you need to select length or width also, because when you will select width, the length will divide by area, and just take the 50 mm of width. Okay, so the area will divide by width, and height or length should be 20 mm. Let's check. Take the width and 50 mm. Okay, click on the rectangle and click right, and go to property, and you will see here the rectangle area will be 1000. Yeah, see here, rectangle area is 1000 mm. Now it's turn to check the width of rectangle. It should be 50 mm. This is 50 mm, good, and height should be 20 mm. Okay, let's try to make the predefined chamfer and radius in rectangle. Before specify the first point, you will see in the command area, that is chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. So we will discuss the chamfer and fillet command in this video only. Rest of the things we'll discuss in 3D modeling. Okay, first is chamfer, second is fillet. let's try to make predefined chamfer and fillet. REC. Before specifying the rectangle, you need to press the value of radius and chamfer. We have an other option that create an rectangle and give the value that F enter, R enter, okay, and give the radius value that is 10 mm. This is a common method where you want to radius like a fillet and a chamfer CHA and dimension D 10 by 10. This is an ordinary method. After draw a rectangle, you will select this method. But before creating any rectangle, you have an option. Okay, let's try to make. Take the rectangle command, REC enter. Before you specify the first point, you need to just press the F enter. Okay, F means fillet and put the value 10 mm, and now just create rectangle and take the value dimension D enter, 200 by 200 enter. You will see the results. All the corners are rounded with 10 mm radius. Let's check the radius here. Go to the annotation, take the radius command and select the radius. You will see that 10 mm radius. So here one important things that if you will not discontinue with this command and again taking the rectangle command to draw, and you will find that previous radius are applied here. So you need to make these fillet radius 0. To make it 0, take the rectangle command first. Before specify first point, click F enter and 0 enter and make the rectangle again. Now the fillet value is 0 here. And the same scenario is with chamfer command. Take the rectangle command. Before clicking on first point, you need to take chamfer command by using CHA, enter and dimension 10 by 10 and draw a rectangle with 10 by 10 chamfer. Okay, now next command is polygon. Take the polygon command, click the first point or specify the center point of the polygon, and you need to select the faces of polygon first, as there are 4 sides in rectangle and 5 sides in pentagon, 6 side in hexagon. You need to put the value of sides of that polygon particular. I'm taking the 5 sides and specify the center point of that polygon. Now here there are two types of polygon. First is inscribed in circle and second is circumscribed about circle. So take the first command, inscribed in circle, and make the diameter, take the diameter 250 mm, and create a circle. Take the circle, make it from its center line, and this is an inscribed in circle. Okay, just check the value of diameter by using annotation. It is 500. Okay, it's good. And let's make by using circumscribed about circle. Choose the center line. Okay, and choose a circumscribed about circle and put the value 250 mm, and take a circle, make it about this polygon. Okay, now check the diameter of this circle. It is 500. Okay, now you can see the major difference between circumscribed about circle and inscribed in circle. Okay, in inscribed in circle the polygon is drawn in circle, and about circle polygon is outside of circle. Okay, next command is ellipse. There are three types of ellipse. You can draw by three methods. Take the center line and end line and just put the height. You can make it by dimension also. Click on center, make the value of endpoint is 200 mm. Okay, and height just put the value of 50 mm. Okay, so you can see the total dimension will be 400 mm and height will be 100 mm. Check the height will be 100 mm. So this is a method by start by center and height. Okay, and axis and end. You need to make start and end point here, and height. This is an free form. In first command we have taken the center and end, and here we have option to draw by start and end by using an axis also, and take the value of 500 mm. This will be complete 500 mm, and put the value of 50 mm for height. You can check, this will be 500 mm. Okay, and height will be 100 mm. Okay, this is the second method. And there is one command is also, that is elliptical arc. In elliptical arc you can cut the arc by using the dimension or freeform or angle whatever you want. Take the first line, second line, and where you will press, and the command will activate from there to cut the arc. And in this command you can use the F8 command, I mean make the ortho mode off, and where you left the mouse you will find the result like this. Next command is hatch. There are three commands in this. First is hatch, second gradient, and third is boundary. Yeah, just try to understand hatch command. First make a rectangle first. Okay, make the rectangle, take the free form of rectangle, and make some circles in this rectangle by using circle commands, and take the hatch command. Okay, and there are two types to select here. First is pick point and second is select. Just see the difference. When you will pick the point, what will be result? Just see. And when you will select the select point, what will be result? Just see. First take the select and select the outer boundary. In this method you will see that circle is not showing like a cutout. This is an disadvantage of this select method. And in hatch command, when you select the peak, the circle will display like a cutout. This is an advantage for this command to pick the point. But you will make boundary to pick the point also. First take the hatch, you will see the result by picking point in here. Okay, because of that boundary, if you will select there by picking, that will display like a boundary, and inner side it will also display like a boundary. But what when you make to the boundary by using select? Okay, so when you select the outer, it will fill the whole area of that. Okay, when you select this, it will display like a whole area. So what to do for filling like a pick command? So here there are so many hatching patterns in this. You can use as per your own requirement, like a brick, air, sand, concrete. So many commands in this. If I have selected a brick pattern, so this is very low pattern. Okay, so we need to change this scale. Just go to the scale command and put the value here. You can see now it is 1. You can change from here. We can make it approx 100. 20 is sufficient. Okay, and we can change this color also. Take the brick color from here. You can see here there is also a color command from where you can change the color. And for transparency you will see that above there is a transparency command also. You can change the transparency of that particular. Okay, I am deleting this and going to gradient. There is major difference in gradient and hatch. In gradient you will see the mixture of colors to gradient, and so many types of gradients in this AutoCAD like hatch command, and you will change the color pattern by using different colors. And next command is boundary. Boundary is a command by using which command we can resolve the problem that is in occur in picking or selecting in hatch. Like, pick the area where you want to make it like a boundary. So this area is like a boundary. You can make it boundary. And now if you will select for hatch, take the select command and select that area. Now this has been created like a boundary. Create undo and undo the boundary. Now that is a boundary of rectangle, and now if you will select that area, that will fulfill that complete area with hatch. But if you will pick the boundary and pick that particular area like a boundary, that will create a boundary. And now if you will select that area by using select command, that will not fill whole area of that rectangle. All right, dosto. I think you love this video, and we will meet in next video, which will be modified toolbar. And in practical video, I will repeat all the commands to making that drawing. So let's meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.